Changing your bank account on Creative Market is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Visit the Creative Market website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled payment information or billing. Click on this option to access your current payment details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm no changes and ensure your new bank account is now linked to your Creative Market account. By following these steps, you can successfully change your bank account on Creative Market. Make sure to double check your information to ensure smooth transactions in the future.